Are you looking for the best car ramps in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best car ramps that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Rage Powersports Plastic Mini Car Ramps. Rage Powersports Plastic Mini Car Ramps are one of the most reliable car ramps. This advanced model featuring a heavy-duty plastic that's both sturdy and durable. Its honeycomb design makes it non-slippery as your car climbs on it. Rage Powersports Mini Car Ramp aims to raise 4,400 pounds heavy vehicles to a height of 2.75 inches for maintenance or during storage. These ramps are also lightweight, and you'll find them very easy to store. At number 4, Race Ramps 14-inch RRFS Flatstopper. Race Ramps RRFS Flatstopper has a unique patented concave design that distributes the weight of each tire evenly, thereby preventing the formation of flat spots. These ramps are made of high-quality foam and polyurea material, provide lightweight and extra durable. Moreover, they are textured to prevent sliding on any floor. At number 3, Race Ramps 67-inch Race Ramp. Race Ramps RRXT2 is another trusted brand that is a tough model made of durable material. They are meant to lift lowered antique cars weighing up to 3,000 pounds to a height of 10 inches in a breeze. These ramps feature 10.75-degree angle and have a sturdy wheel groove to stop the wheels. These ramps won't rust nor damage your floor while using it. At number 2, Race Ramps 40 inches Race Ramp. Race Ramps RR40 car ramps are by far the most advanced, safest, and durable ramps. The ultra-strong material used in their construction justifies their price. The ramps are extremely durable and won't leave a single mark on your floor no matter how long you leave your car on them. At number 1, Scepter Plastic Automotive Ramp. Scepter Plastic Ramp is an all-weather ramp for vehicles with low clearance. This ramp has grids running to the ground which allow water, soil, and snow to run through, adding to its durability. The solid plastic used for its construction should give you the maximum confidence you need as you change your Miatas, Corvettes or BMW's oil. Moreover, these two ramps stick together for easy storage. The solid plastic used for its construction should give you the maximum confidence you need as you work under the car. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.